Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome, my emperors and empresses, to another video. To anyone that's new, welcome. You're in the right place. This is the negative-free zone where we respect each other and we enjoy talking, chatting, commenting, thumbs upping, liking, all of that. Today, I'm just coming with a very short video. Been out on the beach today, been shopping all day, and I just want to give you all some different protective hair coverings that may protect you from, like, if you have longer hair or even shorter hair, protect your hair from getting slammed in car doors. If you just want something to cover up your hair so that it's not hanging down, just something decorative. I have some items that I just purchased from the beauty supply store, which is a place that I go to only to purchase like little knickknacks. You know, I don't use hair products and stuff, so don't go there for that. But I do go there to get my caps. And I've been repping King J for a long time. King J, whoever that is going to have to send me some caps. All right, so let me just show you. Okay, what I'm wearing right now, this is a very good way of just, it's not covering your hair totally, but I mean, somebody was asking me about being hot and this, that, and the other. If you just want your hair covered so that nobody is touching your hair, or, you know, having the thought of even doing that, or, you know, just to have a different fashion type thing, or something you could wear to work, this is just a net, like a hair net. But it's a thick net. They have them in different lengths. This is one for super long hair like mine, or even, you know, hair that may not be as long as mine, but, you know, longer hair, but they have them for smaller ones. And then I just paired it with this little, you all have seen this many times if you've been on my channel before, but just paired it with a little blue, little ribbony type thing, and see how thin it is. I mean, this way it's warm outside, I'm not sweating, and it looks cute. All right, so I have it also in the color red. Now, in Chicago, these at the beauty supply store cost $2.49. That is not bad. Just make sure when you're opening up the package that you are very careful and not cutting the net. Because I cut my last one. My last red one, I cut it accidentally. So this is it's called a long fish net, and it's by Magic. Okay, this is not a King J. This is Magic. I think King J has some. I'm not totally sure. So I have a red one. That's something that you all are gonna like. Bandanas are always cool, especially for guys, girls too. I mean, different color bandanas. I have me a black bandana, $1. Khaki color, kind of like a, you know, camouflage type khaki color, and a white one. And it's cool because even if your hair is just hanging down, or if you have a net on, you can still put one of these on with it, just to, you know, if you're trying to match up an outfit, or just, you know, make it so that it looks nice or whatever, nice and neat. A nice neat style as far as matching your clothes and stuff. So these are options that you could use to, you know, and some people are worried about frizz and all that type of stuff. If you want to cover it up, fine. But I use these just, you know, just for effect, just, you know, because they look good. I have another one. Now this one is kind of like, this is a large fishnet round one, so that if I have my hair, which I'm going to show you in a second, in one of my spandex caps, I had to buy 2 more of these. Make sure when you buy these, because buy them in the regular size. This is the King J, and I have these in several videos, but make sure that you buy in a regular size, otherwise they stretch. I paid $4.99 for this. I think at some places I was paying like $3.99. It really doesn't matter, because sometimes they're hard to find. But this is cute to wear like this, and then maybe throw this on top of it. You know, if you're wearing like a pink outfit or so. Anyway, that is something that would be cool. And then for guys, you all can wear these just by itself. If you do, I mean, because once they start to pull, because after a while, the reason why I've had to buy, like, this is probably, I buy the black ones so I can wear them like all the time. My colored ones, I use those for outfits. After they start loosening up, they can pull around your edges, so you have to be very careful. And then you know, just it's time to buy another one. You know, if you wear them like I do, you know, I probably have to go through them like every 3 months. So this is another way. This is another cute summer option for my empresses and my emperors. And of course, because I have a white one, white ones do get dirty fast. I did buy another one. Especially if you wear stuff on top of it, a band or so, they get dirty, yeah, kind of fast. Just another King J cap. King J, I need you to holler at me. King J is probably in China. I'm going to find out. Because I've been repping King J for a long time. Of course, spandex tubes are always good. I thought this was purple when I was in the store. They don't even have purple. I have this already. But it's cool to have multiple ones. I have a whole bunch of tubes. The tubes are... I'm sorry, I didn't even show you. The tubes are cool just to cover like the top of your hair. I know, like I said, I noticed that a lot of people are talking about frizz and this and that. If you want to just cover your hair and it's not for decorative purposes like it is for me, and you know, it's for the frizz or whatever, or for going to work, this is a cute way to cover, and it's unisex. Now this one isn't by King J, but King J does have, I have many tubes by King J. Now I'm showing you down below how the guy is rocking it, and the female. And if you look at my merchandise, which I will link in the box below, the description box below, this is pretty much how I had my, I designed my t-shirts and my other items. I designed it like the person had on a cap with just some dreads hanging out, and it was a female face. I hope you all support. Those of you all that were saying that you want to see some merchandise, I got the merchandise now. Come on and support. Uh-oh. Something. Okay. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, that's not the same. I'm going to say the best for last. Okay, and then I have it in white. Got another one in white because I had one in white and I messed it up. I mean, it gets dirty, like I said, real fast, and they're hard to clean. And then I just got another black one. And these, again, are magic. These are $1.99. You see these? These are cool little tubes. Again, just like cute little summer stuff to go with your little, I mean, to accessorize like your little outfits and stuff. Or, you know, people are wondering about stuff that they can wear to work and cover their hair. Nobody can say anything to you if you come to work with your hair covered like that. I mean, because even people in restaurants and stuff, they have to have their hair covered. And this is sufficient. So if you have a job and you're worried about that, or you're worried about, you know, what your job is going to say about your hair if you're starting to go freeform. I like this down like that. Freeform. They can't say anything about that. Seriously. Really, they shouldn't be able to say anything about your Natty dreadlocks, whether they're fuzzy, frizzy, whatever, however they are. And right now I'm drinking my purple smoothie. But today, in honor of Prince, who is also a Gemini like myself, I'm celebrating this whole month for my birthday. Celebrating Prince today, so I'm going to call this my Purple Rain. Blueberries, kale, walnuts, a banana, flax seeds. Be mindful of the things that you put into your smoothies, because you can make your smoothies go up in calories very fast. I did not know that flax seeds, 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons, 150 calories. I have to be very mindful of that. I normally just pour a little bit in it because I need the fiber and I need the omega. But it's very good. It tastes very good. And the berries, blueberries, the antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties that they possess are out of this world. This is my first meal of the day, and it's a smoothie, and it's what, 2 o'clock? I have energy like crazy. Now, okay, for the grand finale, if you really want to treat your, and this is for my empresses, if you really want to treat, no, emperors can wear these too. If you really want to treat your Natty dress to something nice, here are some earrings that I purchased for $1.99. And you all see me with like wood beads and stuff on my hair, you know, a few here and there, whatever. But what I'm going to do when I wear my hair down, you have to stay tuned for the next video or come in for the live chat on Sunday to see it. And I'll have some of these hair rings on. And they have like cowrie shells on the bottom. Am I saying cowrie? I have to take my time sometimes. And then you just slide the little ring on and the cowrie shell hangs down. So, yeah, I brought 2 packages of those. Wow, I didn't know. It's about 6. Yeah, I don't need a lot because I don't want it to look like gaudy or anything. But that's what I purchased. Those are some summer items that could really, make you feel good. Also protect your hair. Always wear your caps, the full caps at night. Or, sleep on a satin pillowcase. I prefer having the cap on. I feel totally protected with the cap on as opposed to just sleeping with a satin pillowcase. When I used to do the satin pillowcase, I used to make sure that I covered my hair with the pillowcase. I wouldn't just lay on the pillowcase because my hair is too long. I would take the pillowcase and turn it inside out because the satin was only on the outside. Put it up over my head and tie it, of course. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you check down in the description box below and look out for my merch. I have some beautiful stuff that I designed. Well, it's only one design, but it's on a whole bunch of different types of shirts and socks and leggings and hoodies and, because our weather is changing like crazy. So one day it's hot, one day it's cold. I have tank tops. I have all types of stuff. So please check out the merchandise in the description box, please. A lot of people were saying that they wanted it. Now I have it out. I also have like another style. I prefer it on black, but I do have like white mugs and stuff. Yeah, the mugs are very nice. I have them on white mugs too. I don't really like, I wanted the totes to be in black, but I wasn't able to get them done in black. So make sure when you place your order, though, that you always size up on your shirts because the shirts tend to run a little small. Something else I wanted to say. Must not be meant for me to say it, but I was trying to think. Okay. Oh, what I'm doing, just in case anybody wants to know, I and a few of the empresses on the channel were doing like a 30-day cleanse. We did a 10-day cleanse together. I have continued on to just do what I was doing on the cleanse, and what it helped me to do was to eliminate bread out of my diet completely, like I had done before. Those of you that know my story knows that I haven't had beef or pork in over 30 years, chicken and fish in over 2 years. I drink plenty of water, over a gallon. Make sure that you're hydrating yourself this summer. That's another thing. Make sure that you're putting proper things into your body. What else? Oh, I'm still, like I said, I'm still doing the same thing. And honestly, people are coming to me that have seen me. My doctor saw me today and was just like, you're losing weight, and I am. I feel like I'm losing waist, more so than weight. I can see it in my face. I don't eat pasta. I haven't eaten pasta since in over 15 years. No pasta, no rice, no potatoes. And it was just something I wanted to do, for me. And now that I'm going on 49 or whatever, I decided to cut the bread out again. And, I'm doing my 2 smoothies a day. I'm doing raw vegetables as well as, some cooked vegetables. I'm doing a lot of salads and stuff. Doing my nuts, my walnuts, my almonds and stuff. But again, be careful. Make sure that you're watching the intake of what you're, eating, because it seems like, oh, it's just a few nuts or whatever, but they could be high in calories and high in fat. So I'm only eating like a minimal amount, and if I put them in my smoothie, 9 times out of 10 later on, I'm not going to have any. So, and I also don't do dairy, and I have been feeling so much better. I mean, honestly, you know, I've been doing a little bit of yoga. I've been meditating, just keeping my body together. You know, the older you get, the more that you need to really, you know, stay focused on what you're putting into your body. And for you younger ones that are like 30 or younger, start now. Start now. Because when I was your age, I was vegan in my 20s, my early 20s, and I was doing a lot. I was working out a lot. I really was into bodybuilding and stuff like that. So underneath this layer of fat, there is still some muscle. So I am working on getting that together. I will let you all know. I will keep you abreast of how my journey is going. No, I haven't been on a scale. I could just see things in my clothes, and I can see it in my face, and I like what I'm seeing. Excuse the lighting if it's because it's bright outside. I don't even need this light, really. Yeah, I didn't even need that light. It's bright outside. It's a beautiful day. So happy birthday to all my Geminis. You know, we're celebrating. Well, let's celebrate this whole month. And anybody that's just born in the month of June, celebrating any anniversaries or anything, happy anniversary. Any logversaries, anything. And that's it. And I'll definitely be trying to do a live chat on Sunday at 4 p.m. Central. Until then, stay blessed, stay in the light, stay peaceful. Don't let nobody steal your joy. Stay away from negative energy. I love you all. Peace and love.